Stand upright, feet together. Take a left step. Raise hands slowly and evenly to shoulder level. Hands sink down gradually. Relax body continuously. Move the weight to the right leg to form an empty step and hold a ball. Take a bow step. Left hand rises to shoulder level and right hand presses down to hip area. Rotate the left foot. Form an empty step and hold a ball. Take a bow step. Right hand goes up and left hand goes down. Rotate the right foot. Form an empty step and hold a ball. Take a bow step. Left hand goes up and right hand goes down. Right foot takes a step. Form an empty step and hold a ball. The right hand goes up and the left hand goes down. Rotate the right heel. Both hands perform a semicircle movement and hold a yin-yang fish. Brush left knee and push right hand forward. Rotate the left heel. Both hands perform a semicircle movement and hold a fish. Brush right knee, push left hand forward. Rotate the right heel. Both hands perform a semicircle movement and hold a fish. Brush left knee and push right hand forward. Right foot takes a step. Pull in, sink down elbows. Raise hands and land on the heel. Left foot step back. Right hand rotates, moves up and then pushes forward. Right foot steps back. Left hand rotates, moves up, and then pushes forward. Step back and whirl hands again. Step back and whirl hands again. Rotate the foot. Form an empty step and hold a ball. Take a bow step and ward off. Deflect. Push. Pull in. Press. Rotate the left heel, form an empty step, and hold the ball. Take a bow step and ward off. Deflect. Push. Pull in. Press. Rotate both arms. Right hand bunches a hook. Form an empty step. Take a left step. Rotate and push left hand. Land left foot and grind right foot. Rotate the left heel. Move the right foot to the left and wave hands to the left. Left foot takes a lateral step. Wave hands to the right. Wave hands like clouds again. Wave hands like clouds again. Bunch your hook and form an empty step. Take a left step, rotate, and push left hand, land left foot, and grind right foot. Right foot takes a step and forms empty step. Right palm pats forward. Take a left bow step and then form an empty step. Cross hands in front of the chest. Raise the right knee and then kick with right heel. Palms separate and move outward. Drop the right foot. Draw both palms back to the outside of the right knee. Take a bow step. Change palms into fists and strike on the opponent's ears. Rotate the right heel and form an empty step while crossing hands. Raise the left knee and then kick with the left heel. Palms separate and move outward. Left leg pulls in, left hand moves to the right axilla. Take a crouch step. Left hand threads from chest to abdomen along the inside of the leg. Stand on the left leg. Right hand goes up. Left hand goes down. Land on the right toe. Rotate the left heel. Right hand moves to the left axilla. Right leg takes a crouch step. Right palm threads from chest to abdomen along the inside of the leg. Stand on the right leg. Left hand goes up. Right hand goes down. Take a left step. Form an empty step and hold a ball. Right foot takes a bow step. Right arm rotates and blocks up. Left palm pushes out. Rotate the right heel, form an empty step, and hold a ball. Left foot takes the ball step. Left arm rotates and blocks up. Right palm pushes out. Right foot takes a half step. Raise both hands. Brush the left knee and needle the right hand down. Raise hands. Left foot takes a bow step. Right palm blocks up and left palm pushes forward. Rotate the left heel. Turn body. Right fist moves out and the right foot takes a step forward. Left foot takes a step forward with the left hand doing a parry. And then the right fist punches forward. Both hands pull inward and downward. Then press both hands upward and forward. Rotate the left heel. Rotate the right heel. Open the arms and separate the hands. Cross the hands in front of the chest. Press both hands down gently until they rest beside the hips. Put feet together and gently put hands along the sides.